Today I will discuss what is an operator. Simple answer can be given using expression 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands and plus is called operator. Python language supports the following types of operators. You see 4 plus 5. Here you are doing or performing addition operation. And for addition operator you use plus symbol. This plus symbol is called operator because it performs operation. So in simple words you can say operator is a symbol which performs any operation. So there are many types of operation. First is arithmetic operations, comparison, relational operators are used, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, identity operators. So let's discuss each type of operators. Let's have look on all operators one by one. Python arithmetic operators. Here you will learn all the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator performs mathematical operations. Assume variables A hold 10 and variable B holds 20. Then we are taking two variables A and B, and the value of A is 10, value of B is 20. Then there are some operations are performed, and you will understand with the help of examples. This is plus operator. It is used for addition. Addition adds values either side of the operators, like A plus B will give 20 because value of A is 20 and value of B is 10. So it gives you 30. Another operator is minus. It is called subtraction. Subtract right hand operand from left hand operands. A minus will give you minus 10. Okay. This is mathematical operator, multiplication, division operator, like B divided by A. This is modulus and it gives the remainder. This is exponent. It is used for power, like A double star B will give 10 to the power 20. This is floor division. 9 floor division 2, it gives you 4 because fractional parts are removed in floor division. Now we will discuss Python comparison operators. Here you can compare numbers, strings and other data. This is comparison operator. Checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then condition become true. A is equal to B is not true. This is not equal. This is checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If value are not equal, then condition becomes true. So this is also not equal. This is greater than, less than, greater, equal, not equal. All these comparison operators returns true or false. If condition satisfies, it returns true, either otherwise false. Let's discuss Python assignment operators. See, this is assignment operator. We understand with the help of example. C equal to A plus B. Here A and B values are added and assigned to the variable C. This is plus equal add and assignment operator. See, here value of C and A are added and assigned to the C. Minus equal, this is called subtraction and assignment operator. C minus A value assigned to again to the variable C. A star equal, it is called multiply and assignment operator. So here C and A are multiplied and the result is assigned to C. It is divide and assignment operator. It divides C and A and assign to the value to C variable. Modulus equal C and A divided, and what is the remainder? It is assigned to C. Double star equal, this is exponent and assignment operator. Double slash equal floor division assigns a value. Here C and A floor division done and the result is assigned to C. Now we'll discuss Python bitwise operators. Bitwise operators works on bits and performs bit by bit operation. Assume if A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 13. Now in binary format they will be as follows. Bitwise operator performs operation on bits. So value of A is this, value of B is this. We change 60 and 13 into binary. A and B, so it performs A and B. It is A or B. It is A to the power B, not A. There are following bitwise operators supported by Python language. See, this is AND operator. Binary AND operator copies a bit to the result. If it exists in both operands, A and B will give 12, which is this one. Binary OR operator copies a bit if it exists in either operand. So these are the bitwise operations. This is binary ones complement operator. This is XOR operator, binary left shift operator, binary right shift operators. Next is Python logical operators. There are following logical operators supported by Python language. Assumes variables a hold 10 and variable B holds 20. Then C and A and B is true. Why A and B and true? Because A is non-zero, B is also non-zero. Then it returns true. A or B is also true. If either A or B anyone is true, then result is true. For OR, not called logical not operator. It makes the opposite result. It makes true to false and false to true. Not A and B. Because A and B is true, then it's not result is false. Python membership operators are in and not in. In addition to the operators discussed previously, Python has membership operators in which test for membership in a sequence such as a string, list or tuple. There are two membership operators explained below. So membership operator checks that element or data is member of the list, tuples, strings or not. Not in, it's just opposite of in. And it turns true or false. Python identity operators are two, age and is not. Identity operators compare the memory location of two objects. There are two identity operators explained below, age or is not. Say X is Y, if both memory location is same, then it will return true, otherwise false. Python operators precedence. The following table lists all operators from highest precedence to lowest. There are Python precedence rules in Python, which operators must be evaluated first. So first priority is exponential operator, double star. It is executed or evaluated first compared to any other operator. Then complement or unary, plus or minus, it has second priority. Then multiply, slash, modulus, floor division, then plus minus, addition and subtraction, but it is binary. Right and left bitwise shift, bitwise and, bitwise exclusive or, comparison operators, equality operators, assignment operators, is not, in, not or, and. So these were the operators. You have understood what are operators, types of operators, and how operators are evaluated, and operator precedence also I have explained.